Well, this is a video of our little bird spa out in front of 307 Northwest C Street, Grants Pass. We have a little bird bath out in front, and the birds are just going nuts. They're drinking out of it, they're swimming in it, they scatter and then they come right back. And it's Sunday morning on April 27th, I believe it is, 2013, and this looks kind of interesting, so thought I'd take a video. There's a bird taking a bath, obviously. And they come over and they gather around, and all of a sudden they scatter. And one bird comes in and 3 fly away. Well, the guy has it all to himself. And there he goes. I think that one is a clean bird. He wants to be really clean. Getting more crowded in the spa now. Two bathers and one drinker. More drinkers. Now 4 bathers, 2 drinkers, 3 drinkers. Now they're all taking a bath. They're going to flit all the water out of the bird bath pretty soon. And we turn the sprinklers on at night and it fills it back up, and they do it all over the next day. Little yellow finches are real cute when they come. These guys, I'm not sure what they are. And now we're down to one.
A little bit of water goes a long way.
One thirsty guy. Oh, there they come again. Oh,
Whoa!
Big Kahuna came in and scared all the rest of them. So we got one biggie now who is the big bully of the day. Scared all the little flitties away. And now he's gone too. Now the little ones will come back here in a minute, but for right now, the spa is deserted.